Electrical conductance. Electrical conductance is the inverse of electrical resistance, denoted by the formula conductance is equal to 1 upon resistance. It is measured in Siemens, S, or mhos, where 1 mho is equal to ohm powers minus 1. Superconductors. All conductors inherently resist the flow of electric current, resulting in the dissipation of some electrical energy as heat. However, superconductors are a special class of materials that exhibit zero resistance below certain critical temperatures. This property allows superconductors to conduct electricity without any energy loss, making them highly efficient for various applications. In 1911, the Dutch physicist H.K. once achieved a significant breakthrough by cooling mercury to a temperature of 4.2 K, about to 69 degrees C. At this extremely low temperature, he observed that the resistance of mercury dropped to zero. This critical temperature, at which a material transitions to a state of superconductivity and exhibits zero resistance to the flow of electric current, is known as the critical temperature. The discovery of superconductivity revolutionized the field of physics and led to the development of superconducting materials, which are now used in various advanced technologies. This discovery was significant because more than 20% of the electrical energy generated is lost during transmission due to resistance in the wires. However, a major challenge with superconductors is the need to maintain them at extremely low temperatures, such as 4.2 K, which is not practical for many applications. Table 7.1 Differences between ohmic and non-ohmic resistors. Serial number. Ohmic resistor. Non-ohmic resistor. 1. It obeys Ohm's law, that is, Vi is constant for all values of V or I. It does not obey Ohm's law, that is, Vi is not the same for all values of V or I. 2. The graph for potential difference V versus current I is a straight line passing through the origin. The graph for potential difference V versus current I is not a straight line, but is a curve which may not pass through the origin. 3. The slope of V minus I graph is same at all values of V or I at a given temperature. The slope of Vi graph is different at different values of V or I even at a given temperature. 4 examples, all metallic conductors such as silver, iron, copper, nichrome, electrolyte with suitable electrodes, etc. Examples, junction diode, lead, transistor, filament of a bulb, etc. In 1986, interest in superconductivity was reignited when German physicists Karl Müller and J. Penrose demonstrated that a ceramic material containing small amounts of lanthanum and barium could exhibit superconducting properties at a relatively higher temperature of 35 K to 38 degrees C. Research efforts are now focused on developing superconductors that operate at room temperature. If such a material is discovered, it would revolutionize the way electrical energy is used and could lead to significant advancements in electric motors, transformers, and generators. Factors affecting the resistance of a conductor. It depends on the following factors. 1. The resistance of a conductor is influenced by its material composition. 2. According to the law of length, the resistance of a conductor increases with its length. Mathematically, if L is the length of a conductor and R is its resistance, then are proportional L. Let L and R be the length and resistance of conductor, then consider two conductors of same material such that L1 and L2 are their lengths and R1 and R2 are their resistances respectively. Then, 3. The law of area of cross-section states that the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. Let A be the area of cross-section of a conductor whose resistance is R. If R1 and R2 are the resistances of two conductors made of the same material, and A1 and A2 are their respective cross-sectional areas, then where ρ is a constant known as the specific resistance or resistivity. If a conductor has a length of 1 meter and a cross-sectional area of 1 square meter, then the specific resistance is expressed in ohm meters. If the measurements are in centimeters, the specific resistance is in ohm centimeters. Specific resistance. Specific resistance is the resistance offered by a conductor with a unit length, 1 centimeter or 1 meter, and unit cross-sectional area, where current enters and leaves from opposite ends. It can also be defined as the resistance of a unit cube, 1 cubic centimeter or 1 cubic meter, where current enters and leaves from opposite faces. Units of specific resistance. In the CGS system, the unit of specific resistance is ohm centimeter. In the SI system, the unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Relation between resistance and temperature. Resistance typically increases with an increase in temperature. Conductors made from pure metals show an increase in resistance as the temperature rises. 1. For example, the filament in an electric bulb is typically made of pure tungsten. When the bulb is lit, the resistance of this filament significantly increases compared to its resistance at room temperature. 2. In contrast, some metallic alloys exhibit very little or no change in resistance with an increase in temperature. Alloys like manganese, Eureka, German silver, and Constantan maintain nearly constant resistance even as temperature rises. These alloys find applications in creating standard resistances for devices such as resistance boxes and rheostats. 3. The resistance of a carbon filament bulb decreases as its temperature rises. Similarly, ionic compounds exhibit a decrease in resistance upon melting, enabling them to conduct electricity. Additionally, the resistance of vulcanized rubber decreases by approximately 25% when heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Specific resistance of some substances at 20 degrees Celsius. Table 7.2. Differences between resistance and specific resistance, resistivity. Serial number. Resistance. Specific resistance or resistivity. 1. The resistance of a conductor depends upon material, length, area of cross-section and temperature of the conductor. The specific resistance of a conductor depends upon the material and the temperature. 2. It is opposition or obstruction offered by a conductor to the passage of drifting electrons through it. It is the property of a particular conductor due to which it does not change with the shape or size of a conductor. 3. It is measured as ratio of potential difference at the ends of a conductor to the current flowing through the conductor. It is measured as the resistance offered by a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross-section. 4. SI unit of resistance is ohm. SI unit of specific resistance is ohm times meter.